our project that we've been doing for the last 6 months, called Chatbot FAQ project, and for enhancing customer support efficiency with AI-powered automation. So the team is here.
I'm George. I'm Senegal.
I'm Grace Okoha from Nigeria, and I'm part of this team.
Thank you, Grace.
Hi, my name is Ngoho Etienne Natasha. I'm from Nigeria.
And I am Jonathan Saina from Kenya. This is some introductory of our project. It is a conversational FAQ system that goes beyond traditional quick file FAQs by dynamically interacting with users to answer questions efficiently. Some of the features are predictive question categorization by use of BART model. We have similarity-based response retrieval from categorized question. Then data-driven design, where based on logged user interaction for future analysis and improvement. And then lastly, seamless integration with GUI for user-friendly interaction. What inspired us to do this project was the need for efficient customer support solutions to enhance user experience and optimize workloads. So from this point, we'll be able to share the live environment with you guys for you to be able to see how this system works. What the user needs to do is insert a question in that text box and press send, and then the chatbot will be able to respond. So the first question was, do you have products? Yes, we suggest product based on your browsing history and preferences. The next question. So there's a question on return policy. So chatbot is able to return that the item can be returned within 15 days. So another random question. Do you offer shipping? So the bot has answered, we offer free returns for certain products. Please check return policy on that. Shipping. So that's question on shipping policy. So shipping may be free depending on the reason for return. Let us say maybe the question is on return shipping, such as defective products. They can offer free shipping of return for return of that item. And then, of course, that's how this basically works. And wherever you refresh every time, it will start loading a new UI for another entry. So that's a brief demo of how this application works. So that was demo. What are some of the achievements that we were able to achieve? Data collection. We were able to build up a very comprehensive JSON file for NPL engine to learn from and stored in a dataset called JSON. Model integration and performance, where we used BART for categorization and TF-IDF for price FAQ matching. Another thing that enhanced our application was data-driven approach, where each user query response is stored on MongoDB, which allows for continuous learning and refinement of the system. Finally, we came up with a UI that we just saw, which allows users to interact and retrieve instant answers. We had challenges, and these are some of the adaptations that we were able to do to combat the challenges. The first challenge was data handling, and we were able to come up with a way in which we could improve it by conducting thorough reviews of dataset and to standardize categories. Then model optimization by use of BART model and fine-tuning it. Dynamic query matching. We developed a feedback logic to suggest closest matches to question outside defined categories. Addressing NLP model size, where we could not be able to upload to Git. So we decided to use a cloud storage for sharing and collaboration. And then, of course, API enhancement by implementing asynchronous processing and caching mechanism to optimize the response times. The architecture behind the application is just so. So we have the front end, we have the back end, and then API layer. And these are basically the algorithm and code snippets for preprocessing and optimization, category prediction with BATs, response matching. These are some of the snippets that we saw that are very important, maybe to share in this forum. And then one for inserting query into MongoDB are shown there. What are some of the improvement or next steps that we saw maybe is important? These are expansion of FAQ categories for product coverage, optimization of NLP model for more nuance understanding, training on larger datasets to improve prediction accuracy, and adding administrative dashboard for analytics. We felt that our next step would have been to launch beta testing with real users and not just 4 of us, and gather feedback for iterative improvement of our application. So that is it for this application. In conclusion, we were able to address key challenges in customer support by automating repetitive tasks. We were able to achieve milestones which include data preparation, API development, and functional integration of NLP model. Future work focuses on enhancing system capabilities and user experience. So this project sets a foundation for scalable, efficient customer support solution that will address the challenges of user support. Thank you very much. That is it from our end.